Hey guys, it's PokeJack here.
And Mrs. PokeJack.
And today we have a little bit of Prismatic Evolutions, a booster bundle. We found Team Rocket's Mewtwo box and a couple blister packs. Just see what's in here first. Mrs. PokeJack's gonna open one of those while we're getting in this. Hopefully everybody's having a good weekend and not getting too much hail.
You started to do that here. Destined Rabbits.
Because in Canada it snows in July.
Well, that just about is. Gold card.
Oh, we're 3 days out, 4 days. Oh, oh, oh.
Eradicate. Mischief. Dolive.
A bunch of new ones, eh?
Get White. Wheezing. Granite Cave.
Oh.
Team Rocket's Forest. Growlithe Reverse.
That's a nice Growlithe.
Huntel Reverse. And Zamazenta.
Zamazenta. So we almost got into the side of this thing. Includes a Mew photo sticker. Well, if that's the case, then I'd stick it on my desk at work, but we'll see. Okay. They've kind of fallen all over the place. Oop. There's a sticker.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool.
Looks like a Polaroid.
What we got here? Team Rocket's Meowth. It's just a different hollow pattern. Team Rocket's Giovanni. There's a promo card. Yay, promo. And Team Rocket's Mewtwo. Black Star promo number 205. Wow. What else is in there?
Couple 4-packs.
Journey Together, Destined
Paradox
Rivals.
Rift.
Oh, Paradox Rift.
And 2 Destined Rivals.
We haven't opened Paradox Rift in a while. Wow. Okay, well, we're getting to the professional sleeve in here. Yeah. Okay, we'll open the Paradox Rift first. See what we can see. Get it into the... You guys want to see too?
Yeah.
Spinda, a Nimble, Ella Kid, Ice Cream Cone, Mignon. That's the French Pokemon. Mignon, Crocolore, a Tulip, Zubat Reverse, and a Palkia. All right.
Another one of these.
Oh yeah. Big pile over there. My nephew came over, played the Pokemon Live, and he opened a pack that you guys missed, and it had the special art rare Mewtwo from Destined Rivals. I wish it was real.
Smoliv. Torchic. Team Rocket's Forest.
Oh.
Granite Cave. Milotic. Shroomish. Reverse. Chingling. Reverse.
That's a cool one.
Ooh, an Electivire EX.
Wow.
All right.
Electivire.
Thanks, PokeJack.
It's getting sleeved. Oh, there it goes. We get a pack of Journey together. It's a code card. Upside down. Grandpa. Durant. Stunfisk. Super Potion. Hops Corviknight. Bayonet. Pupitar. Stunfisk, like Chewy. And Hops Snorlax. Chewy woke up. Sorry, Chewy.
You want to open one of these Pokedex?
I have one right here.
Okay.
A couple right here, actually. Thank you to the kid at UFA that dumped a whole
Bag of chicken feed.
right on the Pokemon cards. They were concealed in a bag, but still.
No, on a grocery bag.
Guess it's nice one to put it in our trunk, right?
Rosalia. Nidoran.
Female.
Flaffy. Drowsy.
It's a nice Drowsy.
Liepard. I kind of like it.
Kitty Cat.
Team Rocket's Venture Bomb. Ogerpon. Morgrim. Oh, an Electric. Illustration rare.
Yay!
Wow.
What else is there?
Oh, and a Tyranitar.
Okay, let me put that in there.
Yeah, we better put that. Thank you, Jack.
Electivire.
Wow. From Team Rocket.
Yeah, it's weird how you cheer for them after a while, huh? One day you'll get that Pikachu. Coughing. Torchic. Oh, Ethan's Adventure. Ogerpon. Ooh, Botherbot. Mankey Reverse. Beldum. And a Sneasel.
I do too.
That was like me earlier. Big sneezes. Oh, you want to open the last one?
No, you go, Jack.
Okay, well then we gotta get in the bundle. Prismatic bundle.
Yeah, and then let's keep the cards separate.
Keep the cards separate.
Yeah. Don't want to get them mixed up.
Yeah, well we got already 3 different sets. Oh, Fee Pass, Dollar, Applin, Missy Psyduck.
What a cutie.
It's a nice Psyduck. Botherbot, Ogerpon, Nidorino Reverse. Oh, Sacred Ash.
Reverse.
And a Blaziken.
Blaziken. Clever name.
Okay, we'll hide those.
What's next, Jack? Prismatic.
We're down to the booster bundle.
Booster bundle.
Yeah, looks like somebody tried to get in it already. I don't have the Milwaukee knife.
You got nails.
Okay, Mrs. Pokejack's got nails, she says.
I have to squeeze the box.
The bundle squeezed. Slide off the wrapper.
Teamwork.
And there's Eevee. There. 3
Wow.
each. A little CCC. The real. Riolu. Amortice. Noibat. Training. Explorer's Guidance. Regigigas. Carmine. Grey Tusk Reverse. Roto Stick Reverse. Flareon!
And a Flareon.
I need the Flareon, actually.
Actually, perfect.
Really, Pokejack? Yes.
Take it.
Yeah, that's the first time ever getting a regular Flareon card. Prismatic Evolutions. Goes up there in the special cards.
Ooh, we got a hollow card.
Hollow Energy.
Black Belt's Training.
Wow.
Execute. A Sneasel. Professor's Research. Screamtail. Ogre's Mask. Festival Grounds. Ooh, Professor Sada's Vitality.
Pokeball.
The Pokeball.
It's a Pokeball.
Wow. An Area Zero Underdepths. And a Dusk Noir.
Pokeball. Oh, the texture. The texture's real on these cards. Wow.
Well, we should wish everybody a happy Canada Day long weekend, kinda.
Yeah. When's the 4th of July's coming up for American friends?
On Friday.
Hopefully you guys got your fireworks. Whatever else you're doing.
Hopefully there's no fire ban.
For fruit.
For fruit.
Briar. Oh. Professor Sada's Vitality.
Not the Pokeball.
Dusclops Pokeball.
That's the Pokeball.
Furfru. Pikachu EX.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Beak beak. Pokeball.
It's a double whammy.
It is a double whammy. Good pile of stuff.
Ooh, I don't know. Maybe. Happenberry. Hoot Hoot. Dreepy. Miltank.
Look at those udders.
Look at those udders. Screamtail. Look at that tail. Glass Trumpet. Haluka.
Cha.
Halucha?
Yeah.
Fan Rotom. Reverse.
Ooh.
Ooh!
Walking Weight Gold.
Wow. And Ogerpon.
Wow.
Ogerpon EX.
That's probably like hitting the jackpot.
Jackpot.
A gold card from Prismatic.
Wow.
And Ogerpon. Waking Mask Ogerpon EX. The blue thing. There's a whole bunch of different masks.
So far, that's a pretty good haul, Pokejack.
Yeah. The guy that sold this to me on the Facebook Marketplace is really curious what we're getting out of it. It's like, I haven't opened it yet. Settle down, meow. Hippopotas. Houndour. Spritzy. Professor Sada's Vitality. Suicune. Carmine Reverse. Sneasel. And a Leafeon. Regular hole. Mrs. Pokejack's got the last one.
Oh, Pokejack. You do the last one.
No.
Oh.
No. It's so good.
Right side up.
Yep.
Could it be?
I do not know.
Oh, wow.
Psychic Energy.
Dusclops. Dunsparce. Hondour. Applin. Halucha. I remembered. Techno Radar.
You did remember. Good job, Miss Spokejack.
Carmine. Earthen Vessel. Spritzy. Pokeball. What kind is that?
Master Ball.
Master Ball! Wow!
And an Umbreon.
And an Umbreon. Oh yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
Pokejacks.
Out.